In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the interior door card panel from a Renault Clio Mark III. Tools you'll need for the job: T30 and a T20 Torx, a flat screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and either a ratchet or impact driver. First of all, remove this trim. There's no fittings on this, it's just pushed in, so you can use your trim tool and just pry it apart. There's 3 pegs that keep it in place. Now remove this trim that's got the mirror switch in. There's a little gap at the bottom where you can just get a trim tool in. Just make a gap and sort of pull the trim out and towards you that way. You have to undo the plug on the back for the wiring. If you just get your screwdriver in that, just make a little gap, give it a pull, that'll come off. Now that covers off, you can do the 2 T30s that are behind that cover. This one you'll need an extension for, it's quite deep in there. Now pop this cap off using a little screwdriver, get in the little gap at the top, just pull that down and out of the way. There's a T30 behind there. Now you need to get access behind this speaker cover, so if you just use a small screwdriver, just get in where the gap looks the biggest and pop it off, and the top is just hooked in like that. And then there's to remove the speaker, 2 T20s. Pull the speaker towards you. It's just hooked in, those little hooks there. And then a plug on the back, press the little tab in, free that off. When you remove the speaker, you can see these 2 T20s now that the speaker was just covering. Remove both of those. And then 2 more T20s along the bottom, you can just see there in those little gaps. Now using your trim tool, start in the bottom corner, just find a gap, get your trim tool in, just pry away slowly. Work your way along, and once it's loose and hanging around, just pull it upwards, starting at one end. And just pull it away slightly. There will be still things connected on the back. Now undo the cables and wires on the back of the door panel. So this one here for the door handle just pops off, that's just clipped in. There's a large plug for the back of the window switch, just push the centre in, pull it away. And the light on the bottom, you have to just pop it out the door card first, and then plugs the same thing, push the middle in and take that out. That's the door card removed.